Now let's see how this Google page search and web search works. Basically, a Google Map scraper collects details about businesses listed on the map. Things like business name, address, phone number, website, opening hours, rating, reviews, or categories. This is extremely useful for lead generation and market research or local analysis, we can say. For example, you could pull every information along your city with ratings and contact details. Let's see how this Google Places search works. Let's search for the nearest coffee shops in Mumbai. So these are the 5 coffee shops that Scrapper returned, and you can have the Excel and workbook too if you want the larger data. Now let's see how Google Web Search works. Basically, it is a practice of improving a website so it appears higher in Google search results. When someone searches for something on Google, the websites that show up at the top get the most clicks and visitors. So businesses work hard to rank well. In a data or scraping context, Google SEO usually refers to collecting search engine results data such as which websites rank for certain keywords or positions, page titles, descriptions, and related search terms. This helps businesses understand what content performs well, how they compare to competitors, and which keywords to target to attract more visitors. Essentially, it's about analyzing search results to make smarter decisions about online visibility. Let's see how this works and how we can scrap the data using Google search results. So, for now, we will be searching for the best CRM tools in 2026. So these are the results for best CRM tools. You can also have the report of this result. Let's download the report and see the insights. These are the top search results.